Today's video is going to be all about half bar fills, some basic ones and some variations on them to spice up your playing a bit. Let's do this. So if you count your usual backbeats as 1 and 2 and 3, actually that's a little slow, probably more like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're talking about the fills that are just 3 and 4 and the first one I'm going to start with, you probably know it, and if you don't, welcome to the world of knowing what Pat Boone, Debbie Boone is. It's this. Pat Boone, Debbie Boone. And a big part about what I will be talking today is incorporating your kick drum into your fills. I'm not the best at it by any stretch of the imagination, but I've played in bands, you know, all over the place, mostly on guitar, but I've played drums in a few bands, and I play on all my stuff, and all of my own like recordings. But once I incorporated the kick into my fills, it completely changed the way that I approach things, and it really, I was having just more fun with it. So let's start with Pat Boone, Debbie Boone, and we'll just hear it in context, and then I'm going to replace the booms with a kick drum. So instead of the tom, I'm just going to play the kick. So 1, 2. Sometimes it's good to flam on Pat. Try it with a kick. Again with a flam. Let's try crashing on the second boom. Love that. Pretty straightforward. Pretty easy to add into your playing also. So the next fill most people learn is the straight 16. So 3E enda, 4E enda. I'm just going to play it on these two toms, or the snare and the rack tom. We're going to do this variation. One more time. So I know these are videos. I know you can pause this whenever you want and go back to it. That's how I do my videos, nice and short. So I'll just talk through this, then you can pause it and try it as much as you want. It's right, left, right, kick. And then the 2 is both the floor, tom, and the snare. Then kick, and then right, left on the tom. So it's right, left, right, kick, both, kick, right, left. In context. First the original. Variation. Back to the original. And the variation. Next one, most people would do is the next iteration rhythmically is the 8th note triplets. So this would be 3 triplet, and triplet, 4 triplet, and triplet. I do that sometimes, 6-4-2 on that one, if I'm going to play it straight. So this was the first fill I did at the intro. It's a little bit different, but it's also very expandable once you get used to it. So that's 3 triplet, and triplet, 4 triplet, and triplet. So it's 4 triplets. The first one is kick, right, left. So I'm using the floor tom and the snare. Kick, right, left. Kick, right, right. Those are the first 2. The next 2 are left, right, left. I'm using the toms here. Left, right, left. Kick, right, left, which I usually do on the snare. So it's... So in context... So what I love about this style of playing fills is that once you learn the patterns, you don't have to play them on the same tom. So I'll try that same kick, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, kick, right, left fill on some other stuff. Let's see how that works. That's the the original. That last one, I just played those last two over on the tom. I think that actually flowed better than my usual fill. Went all the way across the kit. So I hope that that helps with your drumming. And if you've stuck around this long, I really think that I have earned your subscribe. But I'll let you think about that for a second. While I mentioned that it is free, it doesn't really cost you anything. But also, I do have a Patreon if you want to kick me some cheese each month. There's even a $1 a month tier. Most of my material is around the guitar, but I'm starting to do more drum stuff, and we'll be doing a bunch of music theory stuff very, very soon. And, of course, a lot of original music. I'd really appreciate it if you would come on board. And, of course, I want to thank my patrons. They help make all this stuff happen. Take it easy and take care of yourself. Cheers.